I'm recording.
Is this
I've said, yeah, it should be on.
Hello?
One second. If we haven't got enough use out of these kits already, we definitely have now. That's recording, isn't it?
Yeah.
Sick.
So.
Right.
Oh, you twat. Yeah, so we just left Amsterdam.
Whoa. Now,
Down.
I think it's important to address the meta squad.
I'm not going in.
Oh, man. First of all, I'll address the elephant in the room. It is Movember, and this beard and tash is coming along real nice. This beard and tash. Are you actually doing?
I just thought I'd another excuse not to shave.
I wanted to first of all start off by addressing all those handful of people who actually watch these videos because they want to watch them, do you know? It's stupid, isn't it?
I'm currently on, what, 71?
70.
Imagine 71 people. So I know that's not obviously a huge
I know,
number,
but I'd like to do some public speaking one day. I think it's something that we should progress to. But yeah, I'm in the captain's chair, and this is my little skivvy. Got the lanyard on, obviously. Heineken ting from the tour in the last episode. If you didn't watch the last episode, can we do that thing where we put like a box somewhere? But if we can, it'll either be here, or here. Yeah, so
we're on our way from Amsterdam now. We're going to Schalke. First stop, one's from what?
if you're a Schalke fan, drop a like.
So no likes. So what, there's plenty. We've booked accommodation right now in Cologne. His best plan was to find some stadiums on the way.
Right, let's go. So just to make this clear,
A lot of driving in this one actually.
this is where the road trip really gets into gear.
I actually took up hours of driving here just in this one video.
Some bass is bumping in the castle right now.
Copyright. He loves it. Autobahn monster. And as we said,
There we go.
straight to the, what is that arena?
Veltins. But just before this, the mayor of Dortmund was doing like some promo outside the stadium, and we tried to go and see him, but we weren't allowed. So
We'll get a picture we were trying to get with him.
yeah. So I mean, obviously Schalke produced some incredible footballers over the years. One of them for you, FIFA career mode, man them out there.
Hey, oh.
Seriously though,
Brother.
The Cardiff
No.
road rage.
I know I'd be.
Are you kidding me, bro?
That's just fucking filth, man. But I'd be scared if there were a guy with top off like that.
Yeah.
It's just pretty good, dude.
The next one is this Spider-Man. Probably one of the most wanted, well, my personal most wanted stadiums to visit, just because
Me too.
stories, yellow wall, one of the last few, what are they called? Terraces.
Yeah, that sounds about right.
Yeah, so we've got some this side, which you can see on the left, and then that far side is the also terraces. So we're making his way through, and I can't believe. Oh, you're right. Let me set this scene.
Obviously, things are pretty tight anyway because of COVID and everything that's going on.
So
You're in a football stadium, which is.
So a security guard obviously he's just patrolling and walking in, and these two walk into the physio room, and this guy gets on a bloody massaging bench.
Like, Marco Reus has probably been on that bench.
Mr. Security guard comes bloody walking through. What did he shout to you?
He just walked in and he just went, "Go!" Oh, that's sick!
Wait.
That's sick!
So typical walking through tunnel.
That's unreal.
And a little sneak peek of future plans.
Yeah, it was. Oh!
Hang on there.
Just for,
I didn't even know he did that.
just for reference. That is.
Where were we? So you obviously got man of the match for that celebration.
Celebration alone.
and for babysitting me and James whilst we were messing around in
God, yeah.
stadium talk.
MindsetMETA pose off.
Obviously in the sliders.
Typical footwear.
Hard as nails. They've been all around the world, them Tommy Hilfiger sliders.
First German
hot
sausage.
dogs, isn't it? But it's not a Frankfurt or a Bratwurst. I can't remember what it is.
It's a German sausage. that's
German
right.
sausage, mate. That's all it is.
The first curly one as well. Sorry.
What?
Right. So here,
Wanna see you go over the fucking hill?
Oh, what did you say?
and then I want to see you go over the fucking hill.
See, watching this, it was just refreshing me. Like, I forgot we even went to Leverkusen. So obviously they're not a massive club, like, no offence.
And who the hell thinks Bayer Leverkusen's in Cologne? It literally is in Cologne. It's like 10
Yeah,
minutes
it's
away.
like, you think about that. We've seen 3 big stadiums on the way on this part of the journey, and they're all like an hour away from each other.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, some
Yes.
German. Well, they were there to take pictures. I think they were.
Yeah, there must
Leverkusen
have been some big
fans.
fans as well. Good. That's a sick little boomerang. Oh my. That was just a standard though, wasn't it? That chicken box, it was probably like 8 quid, 9 quid.
And then we get into Cologne.
Me taking some notes here. What am I doing? Probably some MindsetMETA notes, you know. And we actually came back to this bridge later on, didn't we?
Yeah, that's in a lot of churches, isn't there? Like, well, steeples, or
Yeah.
you can say. I don't know if they're churches.
Spires.
And then, typical. I won't blame it on James. Maybe Google.
Nah, I would.
Only a bit.
Nah, it
off.
was this man because he never had any data on his phone.
Just took the wrong turning 10 miles ago. And then, well, we
Lost in
finally
the city.
somehow make his way to his accommodation, which is quite a weird one, wasn't it? It was a hotel, spa.
Yeah, I thought this was nice. So if you, oh, what?
Dispose of the evidence.
In it. I'll pause it there. You can see our bedroom from here, innit?
Yeah, I'll point. Is it second or third?
I think
floor?
it's that, say, like the middle window.
Yeah, so pause it there.
Mm.
Keep it on that. So we go in, like, oh, there's a spa, pool. First one at our day.
Oh, yes. Of
So we're like,
course.
yeah, get unpacked, get right downstairs, get some towels, get straight in there.
After a long day's driving, as you can tell.
Yeah, all people quite suspect out there. They've obviously lived their life, they're happy with what they're accomplished, so they're willing to get everything out.
Might be well endowed.
And we were fine with that, we were like, yeah, that's fair enough. Until we saw quite a few people, not just old people, getting, well...
European.
Yeah.
So it was a very European spa. You got your swimming pool, your plunge pool, your jacuzzi, your steam room, your sauna.
Little pointers everywhere. Like, not
Quite literally. There were 3 more when we got
Well, there were signs for like, you're not allowed to wear swimwear in like a hot tub or a plunge pool. And it were a bit like, oh, it's one of them ones.
No, but we're football lads, we're not rugby lads, so we don't get a sausage out all the time for everyone to see.
Well,
I'm generalising on a massive scale there, but you know you get my point. And we had to just brave it, didn't we? We had to drop the towels.
I can say a few of us enjoyed it. Sometimes a bit too much.
Said more than enough said.
And obviously, what comes with a spa? A rooftop view next to another bloody steeple.
This was a very nice hotel. I don't think it was very expensive either, were it?
No, just the standard. Great views, I think.
We're about 30 quid each a night or something.
That was rough bargain.
That were about the average of what we did. Oh,
We got I think we got a little taste of these in Amsterdam, didn't we? We didn't go on them, but we'd seen them, I think, and we were like, oh yeah, right up for these.
nah, a bit of context though. We'd been to watch the United game.
Yeah, we
Which-
on.
We were in a little bar. Did they lose? They lost to Sevilla, didn't they?
Yeah.
A massive group of United fans got turned away. COVID, obviously.
A bit boozy later.
See, they only go like, I want to say like 12 or 13 mile an hour, but it feels a lot quicker when you're in the dark and when you had a couple of steins down you. That's quite a funny
This
picture.
guy can get lost. I've obviously had a few, and the Jurgens.
This guy gets aggressive when he's Larry.
We're on day 3. Woke up.
Oh no!
So we've got to get some breakfast. Obviously, out and about on them scooters in the morning. Found a pretty nice cafe, wasn't it?
Yeah, there were an Australian guy working behind the counter, I remember. But yeah, it was nice, this place. Decent, you know, like, sometimes you struggle for places to go for breakfast, especially when you're travelling around. We saw what we needed to see. We had some fun.
We had
Caused some
snap,
trouble.
and then we had a snap. And gone with dinner.
Some nice food with some lovely latte art as well.
Yeah, it was very good. Decent decor.
I could do a better tulip. There he is, my guy.
So now, there's a big one.
A memorable trip. Oh, there's them buildings.
Yeah. So we've got from Cologne to Munich, 6 hours now.
Big drive. Like, if you looked at it on a map,
It might have been more.
you'd probably be able to see the map. Actually, I need to scratch off.
scooting over
We're pretty much off from Western Germany to East Germany, South as well. We're pretty much off the full length of Germany in a day. So keep back and enjoy this guy.
Those eyes.
Right. But yeah,
He definitely looks like he's posing when he's driving, doesn't
you can tell how lost I am without my phone that's recording.
he? Innit? Too much TikTok in the car. Every 2 seconds, all you could hear from your phone. Shut it up.
So
What's better than one time lapse? See, this were a good. Although this was a long drive, I enjoyed this drive because of the scenery.
yeah, you'll see more
They're very
scenery.
nice.
It's like some crazy castles like on the mountainside, wasn't there?
Yeah,
like
yeah,
this
yeah.
ravine that we get to. You'll see them coming up to.
So, we didn't realise Germany used to be loads of individual states, like a bit like America is. But on this river called the Rhine, I'm so good at explaining this. This is going to be so boring, man. And literally every like mile, if that, there's a different castle which was for a different province of Germany. But the more interesting thing is, it's actually nice to see some castles and that.
Yeah,
Very picturesque.
breaks it up.
Be the difference.
Yeah, so we're just coming through. Well, you can see the edge of this like mountainside here. Another sort of castle-esque, like what did you say? Well, like border almost.
Yeah,
It's almost
more like a board.
Like just somewhere to like line out. Look up there, everywhere, across there.
No, but this just emphasises as well how much we had to recycle the tunes on the whole trip as well.
Probably at
We
least
used to listen to the
fifth
same
time.
stuff like 4 or 5 times over. Easy.
So literally left to right, my castle's steeple. I remember absolutely babbing my pants at this bit because there's like a little hump in the middle of the road that you have to go around.
Oh yeah.
If you look here, the road just bends out for some reason. I'm like, gee, you need to slow down.
Right, like a 12.
And you just sped up. Of course he'd speed up.
Obviously, going 40 around there as well. Look at that, man.
And then if you've seen this guy before,
Obviously,
he's on the right.
it's the Rhine.
And we got to a little town, right? What? Really nice.
Very picturesque.
More
Stopped for some peng food and look. Oh, that's a sick shot though, isn't it?
Quick drone clip. I don't think until you get like a drone or like an aerial view, you get to see things differently.
Quite literally.
Obviously, it's more. It's very.
It's
obvious.
more than just a visual perspective, I think.
It's humbling. You just get to take it in. The Rhine.
The Rhine.
The drone on the Rhine. Beautiful.
See another castle up there. That were a big one.
You can see his next catering destination down there.
Oh, you can.
with the
as
red,
well.
red.
With all the
canopy.
parasols. Oh, incoming.
And then we get
Nah, this is on half speed. This.
the epitome. This is
Nah.
on about 10 times.
No, it
speed.
ain't, bro.
I promise you. And he's still.
But
got
that's
it.
not meta. But I'm just catching up because I ran out of.
Oh, trust me, we're all on it. Look at that. But it is what it is. We've just had to.
It's beautiful out here.
So.
You talk about cuisine. When
For
on holiday.
reference.
When on holiday, we go all out.
We ate fine. Oh no!
Hey, 5 seconds, mate. You can't blame him. But we're still going. We've still got so we're obviously on our way and next stadium. Obviously we haven't been to a stadium in this day, have we? This is his first stadium, just Frankfurt from Cologne to Munich.
Yeah.
We see this thing next to us, which is like some mad army base or like alien discovery play. So we drive past it. So basically, yeah, this is the Frankfurt Stadium after plenty of pondering.
And as you can see, we couldn't get in because we couldn't find the entrance.
It wasn't advertised very well, but we get plenty of pictures in.
Fucking brilliant, that. Wish we did leave him in there, to be
And then, when you're on an autobahn, what do you do?
Oh shit, yeah. Obviously. What do you get to, like 102 or something?
Yeah, I think
Well, pretty scary, really. But the car's sound, it's just because it's an old car.
Yeah. It was fine, did its job. And eventually, by the way, I must add, we did stop at another Mackey's, didn't we?
We actually did as well.
Before
See, I don't normally eat McDonald's, but on this holiday, I must have had like my yearly intake of McDonald's, man.
Like more.
Oh, wait. Sorry, my dear. Hey.
So obviously arrived in Munich, and this is under the hotel. I mean, you see what it says. If you're not subscribed, I actually looked at some of the analytics, you know, and there's about 80% of the people who watch these videos aren't subscribing. So
For this guy.
I'm watching all of you.
We've got to help us out.
You got to subscribe. Don't ask me why, because quite frankly, if you don't, I can't really do anything on that.
We've got to see what we get up to in Munich. That's the main thing.
Exactly.
So you got to watch out for the next.
We're trying to send a bigger message than just subscribers, anyway. Which we go into a lot of detail on the podcast, which is coming out soon. Man, I'm getting so good at these segues, honestly. Yeah. What are we saying?
Yeah.
Catch me in Munich.
Catch me in Munich.
Meta in Munich. What are you saying? MindsetMETA. Munich.
In a bit.
Bye bye.